Do you want to know how to fix the Roblox low memory warning on your Android? This usually happens when your device is running out of RAM, or when too many apps are open in the background. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox low memory warning so you can play smoothly. So let's get started. Step 1. Close background apps. If you are in the game, first close the game and then on your home screen, tap on the Recent App button. Now close all the devices that are running in your background. Step 2. Lower your graphics settings. Go to the Roblox app, then join any game you like. Now tap on this Roblox icon and tap on Settings. Then scroll down and find Graphics Mode and set to Manual. Now try to keep the graphics quality within 2 or 3 bars. Solution 3. Disable your Experience Chat. Go to Roblox Home menu, tap on the 3 dots. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. Now go to Privacy and Content Restriction. Then tap on Communication. Now Experience Chat and set it to No One. Step 4. Clear Cache. Open your phone settings, then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on the search option and search for the Roblox app. Tap on it. Now again, scroll down and tap on Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. Now try the game again. I hope this will fix your problem. So that's how you can fix the Roblox low memory warning on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.